So I'm out scouting on it's Monday night. Gonna go set up in the morning with Amanda. And earlier in the afternoon I was in this field. We saw one tom and 4 jakes, and just down over this hill I can see a tom in through these trees. You can see him strutting right there. I'm going to try to get over there and get a closer look at him, see how big he is, but he's been there since earlier this afternoon as well. I'll try to move in on him and see what kind of beard he's got, see if there's any others with him. I'm gonna move down to that other road. And I'm wondering if this is the tom from last year he was pretty smart. Had a hard time getting him coming into the decoys. But we'll see what happens this year. He's alright. He's alright. Get out of here real slow. Grab my binoculars. There's nothing huge, but he's a tom, so I know there's at least 2 in the area. That might even be a different one, but we'll come back in the morning, set up on him, see if we can't get him. I'd like to say to the camera before we go.
It's early.
How early is it?
4 o'clock.
We're leaving the house, gonna meet up, go to one vehicle, get to the field. It's a cloudy, drizzly morning.
Hopefully we see something.
Hopefully we see something. Oh, we're all set up finally. I got Amanda about 10 yards off in front of me. Had a lot of gear set up this morning, so we kind of got a late start. And I haven't heard any gobbles yet. I think I faintly heard one off in the distance, but I'm going to wait to use the call. Amanda's pretty much solo on this one. She's going to make the decision when to shoot. I'm just in the background filming, and I'm going to wait a little bit, try the call, see what happens. I just heard a gobble, very, very close to the field. I can't quite see him yet, but I'm almost positive he's coming into this field. And I don't think Amanda is looking. I think she is sleeping. I'm gonna send her a text.
That was a tom.
Is he dead?
What?
Is he dead?
Oh yes, sir.
Good job, Abe. Good job.
See him all puffy?
Oh yeah.
I couldn't shoot him because I was too excited.
Pick him up.
He's completely dead.
Awesome.
Nice little beard on him.
Oh, what do we got? Well, little 3/4 inch spurs. There's the beard. Yep. Nice beard on him.
That ain't no Jake.
Nope, hold the fan up.
Can you see him?
Yep. That's a full fan. There it is. Tagged out for the season.
Second turkey.
Second turkey. Second week, Turkey Tuesday.
Done it good.
Turkey Tuesday.
Turkey Tuesday. Came through.
Yep. 3/4 inch spurs, probably a 9-inch beard.
How much do you think he weighs?
Shot him at 6'10". I don't think he's 20. But he came right in alone. Put on a nice show for Amanda. Amanda popped up. Took him down. Show you what we were using. Hunting out of our good old layout blinds. Not too often you see turkey hunters using their layout blinds. Guess that's the duck hunter in us. Now it's time to pack up and go to work.